digital transformation is a necessary aspect of today's business environment. To stay competitive, manufacturers and distributors must embrace a tech-forward organization. As you begin the digital transformation with enterprise software selection, many wonder how to best begin the evaluation and selection process. We've helped hundreds of companies, just like yours, take the same journey. Today, we're giving you years of advice in just a few minutes as we show you what it takes to get started on your enterprise technology selection journey. Tip number 1, ask, why are we here? It's never too late to question why you are at the point of your decision about an ERP solution for your organization. With such a massive undertaking and capital outlay, you should be certain why you're embarking on this journey. To help know if you need a better enterprise technology solution for your company, our experts advise that you consider these 4 basic questions. What is the value that our current ERP system provides? What is the potential value of a new ERP system? Can our existing ERP system match the value of a new ERP system? In what ways is our business being held back by the lack of an up-to-date ERP system? The answers will reveal the value difference between your legacy ERP and the potential new ERP solution, which should help you determine if you truly need an ERP upgrade at this time. But if your current ERP is greater than 4 years old, most likely there's a better solution available. Up next, tip number 2, double down on value. Know the ROI. In most cases, the need for a new ERP system is felt throughout the organization, but management still must understand the needs, the alternate solutions, the cost, the benefits of the solution, and the potential return on investment that improved business processes bring. We recommend that manufacturers and distributors track both direct and indirect benefits that are anticipated from a new ERP system. For example, the streamlined ordering process, reduction of physical inventory counts, improved production quality, better scheduling, and other improvements such as integrated databases resulting in less redundancy, streamlined information reporting resulting in less manual inputs, dashboard reporting and real-time data resulting in less spreadsheet-based reports. These are the low-hanging fruit, the obvious, expected returns from an enterprise technology makeover. But don't neglect the potential for indirect ROI as well. For example, the anticipated indirect ROI. These include intangibles such as increased customer satisfaction due to better targeted CRM activities and streamlined processes, enhanced supply chain communication, improved decision-making quality from better data collection points and information flows, delivery performance improvements, more accurate materials planning thanks to access to real-time information. Because we overvalue the things we can and do measure and undervalue things we cannot and do not measure, our ROI perspective may be skewed unless we take the time to measure the intangibles, the indirect forms of anticipated ROI. Our next tip is tip number 3, learn what's possible. It's easy to get so wrapped up in running your business that you never stop to consider how things could be run differently. And best practices aren't typically shared at industry or vertical levels, meaning organizational leaders never learn of technological advances. In fact, every year, new capabilities are developed that dramatically affect production efficiencies for manufacturers and deliver efficiencies for distributors through the latest ERP solutions, such as advanced functionalities, module convergence or integrations, mobility and cloud-based services, expanded device independence, e-commerce integration, extensions for custom processes. We're not saying that you need to adopt any of this new tech functionality. However, you should know the extent of what's available so that you can make an informed decision about what you do want to take advantage of for your company. Because it is daunting to try to keep up with all the advancements in ERP software solutions, we have 4 of our industry experts working on it full-time. That way, we stay apprised of the latest software, industry trends, and best practices. We also conduct extensive vendor analysis, attend industry conferences, and host solution discovery sessions. Then, we regularly present to our clients the results of our efforts in the form of webinars, white papers, and research-led best practices for manufacturing and distribution. And last but not least, tip number 4, focus on people and processes, not just technology. In successful ERP projects, the most important work is done in the preparation phase, starting at the top with C-level support and buy-in. This helps to keep the focus on people and processes rather than on the shiny new technology. Then, as you develop a phased strategy and define project team, carefully analyze which people assets will be affected by the new processes and ensure those people and departments are included in the planning and selection process. In our recent survey of mid-market manufacturers and distributors, we reviewed ERP goals and expectations, whether or not they were achieved, and why. Our survey found that the primary reasons for success had to do with people and processes, not software. The companies we surveyed who reported a lack of implementation success gave inadequate business process re-engineering and inadequate project planning as reasons for the failures. At Ultra Consultants, because we focus on business process improvements whenever we can help clients select and implement ERP solutions, we've never had a lack of implementation success with any of our clients. So again, putting people and processes first is the best course to take when your team is seeking out a new ERP system. Now, when you realize it's going to work better for your company to bring in outside resources to help with this process, get a partner with a proven ERP project methodology who's able to adapt to meet your company's unique needs. At Ultra Consultants, we've helped hundreds of manufacturing and distribution companies like yours find the best ERP software solution for them. And we stick around to ensure that the expected gains in profitability are realized too. With Ultra on your side, you're empowered to gain the tools you need to drive efficiencies that increase your bottom line. For more information and additional resources on how to bring our expertise through your front door, visit us at ultraconsultants.com.